Well, welcome. I'm Ron Neitzel, the Green Wizard, as my neighbors call me. You've gotten this link from a friend or from myself introducing the Green Wizard's Guide, a book I have spent 5 years drafting up. It's not a normal book. Please don't misunderstand. I'm not a textbook writer. They put me to sleep. As much as I like detail and I like information, that's not what this book is. This is like reading a sitcom, because I'm going to take you on a journey with a cup of coffee. It takes about 2 hours to read my book. And I'm going to take you on a journey that will inevitably save you money if you follow my guide. Now, where does that leave you? I know, this is kind of a tough video for me. I normally can just run off the cuff, but what I've done is I have spent many years on an 80-year-old piece of property, and I have spent thousands, legitimately thousands of dollars in synthetics and chemicals. But allow me to continue. He woke me up to gardening, getting back to what my family had done many years ago. Information that was passed on generation to generation almost missed me. So he got me back into it. And, just like everybody else, I'm going to instantly run to the infomercials and buy up whatever information I can find, and I'm going to do something secret and something special, and I take you on that journey. Thing is, stuff didn't work. When I was battling some pumpkins, as you read in the book, I realized what I was doing wrong. And whether it was Merlin himself or my father and my grandfather standing behind me, smacking me in the back of the head, going, "Wake up, you're missing the important part." Whatever it was at that time, everything changed that day. And when I went back to nature, and I went back to my father's way and my grandfather's way, and all the way back to the Native American Indians that tried to teach the settlers, all of a sudden, my yard exploded. The weeds retreated, the grass expanded, the topsoil expanded, and my garden, oh my God, it was incredible. But that's not what this book is really about. It's not about gardening. It's about saving you money. It's about going organic. It's about utilizing what Mother Nature has provided. And I throw in a couple of extras that make it pop, that make it go even faster, that give you a better understanding. And it's just a simple journey. Again, it takes about 2 hours to read my book, give or take. Some people get distracted. And I realized that when I first started this book for my neighbors to explain what I was doing, it was horrendous. It was too big. It put me to sleep. It was bad. So I changed the format. I wrote my way. I wrote my story. And in 114 pages, in a book built for you, with blank pages to take notes and so on and so on and so on, all sorts of advantages in this paperback. This is the book for the millennial. This is the book for our grandfathers that may have forgotten a simple detail. Because that's what people are telling me. As they pick up this book and they read through this, "Oh my God, I forgot that bit. Oh my God, I forgot this bit. Oh my God, that does work. I've heard about that." Yes, I've tested all of this. I want to do so much more testing. But I've got to sell the book first. So with your help and your friends' help, maybe, just maybe, we can launch this book and we can get somewhere. but I really need your help. That's why you were sent this link. So please, subscribe to the channel. Let's talk. You can find me on Facebook under Ron Neitzel. You can email me at thegreenwizard@hotmail.com. All one word. Let's talk. Let's see what we can do for each other. And yes, I will answer gardening questions, but that's not what this book is about. This book is about saving everybody money. It's about getting everybody back to the organics and stopping the use of these chemicals, because they're not helping, they're hurting. And I found that out with my pumpkins, but you're not going to understand that until you read the book. So please, go over and check it out on Amazon, or you can catch my webpage and keep up with me through another system that's set up, email, something or other. But thegreenwizardguide.com is available. And there's links there also to the Amazon book. So you won't get lost if you go to that page. And I'm here on YouTube. I do live streams because I love to answer questions for people. But the book's not about gardening, and everybody seems to want to go there. No, this is about yard work. This is about taking the entire yard. Of course, when you apply this to your garden, look out, you're going to get more than you ever expected, and better tasting food than has been available in grocery stores for 35 years. So please, get a hold of a copy of my book. Ask me some questions. Let's see what we can do for each other, because I know I can change your yard. The information, all the information, is provided in this book. This is not a book that's going to tell you to go get this, tell you to go get that, and then you got to buy another book to find out more information. No, everything's here. All the research, all the details, and the backup support, so you can go find out even more, and you can find out where this information is supported from, and what college, what university, what professor, what have you. This information's been around a long time, everybody. A long time. And we don't want to lose it. So we need to get this book on every bookshelf, everywhere. It's at Barnes & Nobles. They have it available. Go in and ask for it. This will change everything in your world and put money in your pocket. Trust me. I've spent $25,000 on my yard, and I still had weeds. I was known as the Weed King until this book happened. When I woke up, everything changed almost overnight. So again, thank you, friend, for bringing you to my page. I appreciate you. I appreciate your support. Buy a book. Let's get together. Let's talk. Have a great day. Thanks for stopping by. I've been trying all day to get through on some sort of email to them to jump on this wave and help the book. ITV also need a little help. I got an Autobot responder, so there is something working there. I don't know if any of you guys are paying attention to some of the stuff that's going on over in the UK. A very big organization, Extinction Rebellion. I need help. We need to get the word out. I need to get a hold of somebody in Britain, somebody in England, and open some doors for me so I can get over there and see if we can't get this thing going. I mean, they all want to protest it. They all want to talk about it. They all want to. Nobody's got any solutions. Guess what? Solutions in the book. So anybody out there got any ideas, got any leads, fire them off at me. Let's get this thing moving. Again, it's the BBC broadcasting system. Looking for an email, ITV. Looking for a contact. And the Extinction Rebellion. Anything we can do to jar some trees over there, so that we can knock some doors open over in England and see if we can't get this solution in their hands. Yeah, that's all I got. I'll be back in a little while. Either we're going to fire up over at our buddy's house, or I'm going to fire up here. But yeah. Oh, hey, no problem, buddy. Yeah, if you guys have any leads, anything, fire them off at me. Kick some doors open. If you guys know anybody over in England that can help, we need to start a firestorm while the BBC is actually cranking this thing up to make a difference. So, yeah, please, somebody jump on this over in England. If you've got friends in England, see if we can get them to help. Whatever it takes, we've got to get me into England so that we can get this book going and actually prove there's a solution in the book and we can fix the problems that they're protesting against. I'll see you guys later. Have a great one. We'll talk to you. I got to get back to work on it.